Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasani Louise. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. As you can see from the title, we're doing an unboxing today of my Sigma 16mm f1.4 lens. Never changed the kit lens on my Canon M50, and I bought this camera back in 2020, so it's gonna be almost 6 years since I had this camera. Lens is currently damaged. I did drop it and the lens is broke. It doesn't zoom in or out anymore. So this was the perfect time for me to upgrade my lens. Shop told me it would be about $75 to fix it. So I figured let's get a new lens instead. So that's exactly what I did. I did go on ebay.com and I got a great deal. A new open box Sigma 16mm lens for $300, and I was able to get him or her to reduce the price down an additional $30. It was free shipping, but after taxes I did end up paying $293 for the new lens. So let's go ahead and get this unboxing started. It's not too heavy, honestly. It might be a little bit heavy to like constantly vlog with. The reason why I went with a 16mm lens is because the Canon M50 is a crop sensor lens. So when I go to shoot in 4K, the zoom is actually 1.2, I believe, times 2.6. So it actually goes from a 16 to a 41 millimeters. I want to shoot purely in 4K. So I know that anything above a 24 would probably just be way too tight for the space that I have. I was thinking about getting a nifty 50, which is a 50mm lens, which is specifically for shooting beauty content and lifestyle content, which I was more so leaning toward. But as I did more research, the 50mm would actually shoot at about 128 millimeters if I shoot in 4K with it. So that's why I went for the 16mm lens. So this is how it looks with the 16mm lens. The aperture right now is at 1.4. My ISO is at auto, and I have like my light in between cool and warm. I will be doing an updated review on this lens. That's all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far in the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you know every time that I upload. And I'll see you in my next video.